Good morning, everyone. This is Jimmy at Gengras Chevy. I will be demonstrating the teen driver mode in a 2023 Chevy Trailblazer. So from the home screen in the infotainment, you click settings, you go to teen driver, and then for every individual teenager in your home, you can set a 4-digit PIN. I'm just going to do one for an example here. All right, confirm. All right. So teen driver mode is successfully set. So what this is, it's like a report card for your teenager at home. So you can monitor their driving speeds. You can monitor every time they get a front forward collision alert. You can monitor every time they, speed over the speed limit, things like that. So it's a personal report card for your teenage driver at home. So, and here are all the different settings. And then when you're done, you can clear it or create each individual teen driver report card. For more information, click the link below or give us a call at Gengras Chevrolet in East Hartford, Connecticut. Thank you.